Welcome to my channel, Genius Plus Twins. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Spidel, and today we are diving into a game-changing strategy for your math toolkit. We're mastering the art of mental math addition by finding nice numbers. What exactly are nice numbers? Think of them as number pairs that fit perfectly together, like pieces of a puzzle. Instead of adding from left to right, we scan the problem to find numbers that combine to make a benchmark, like 10, 100, or 1000. Why should you use this strategy? First, speed. You'll calculate sums in seconds without a pencil. Second, accuracy. By simplifying the steps, you lower the chance of making a mistake. And finally, confidence. This builds real number sense that will help you in every math class you ever take. Here is the spot and swap rule. Step 1. Identify the pairs. Scan for numbers that add up to a round number. Step 2. Regroup and solve. Move those nice numbers together in your head before adding the rest. Let's look at example 1, the make 100 trick. If we have 25 plus 47 plus 75, don't stress over the 47 yet. Spot that nice pair, 25 and 75. They make exactly 100. Now the problem becomes a simple 100 plus 47, giving us a final result of 147. We can scale this up to 1000 too. Look at example 2. For 400 plus 720 plus 600, look for the big units. 400 and 600 make 1000. Now just add the remaining 720 for a quick result of 1720. This even works for decimals. Look at example 3. 0.2 plus 0.4 plus 0.8 plus 0.6. 0.2 and 0.8 make 1.0. 0.4 and 0.6 also make 1.0. Add them together and your total is exactly 2. To become a pro, you should memorize these power pairs. For the number 10, remember pairs like 1 and 9 or 4 and 6. For 100, look for 25 and 75 or 40 and 60. For decimals, 0.5 and 0.5 or 0.2 and 0.8 are your best friends. The ultimate goal is 100% mental calculation. By training your brain to see these patterns, you bypass the slow process of carrying digits and vertical addition. You're not just doing math, you're thinking like a mathematician. When we compare the methods, standard addition might take 45 seconds, but the nice numbers method can get you there in just 12. So remember the process. Scan the whole equation, group the nice numbers, sum the round totals first. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you feel like a math genius, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next lesson.